If you do not subscribe, your dog will dance for me. What's up guys, on today's video I want to show you how you can get up to $28 by just doing simple task. Yes, this is about 500 in South Africa when you convert $28 to South African currency. All you have to do, just have to do pictures and videos. So easy, so simple guys. Before I start, I'd like to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, and on my next video you'll get it. Shout out. Okay guys, so here you can see there international projects, right? International project South Africa. So even if you're not in South Africa, please make sure you try this out, and maybe they might accept you, right? So you can see here all you have to do. This task description is all about generating pictures in Google Photos and videos. So easy, so simple guys. This is something so easy guys. We all have time. I believe we all have time. So as you can see here, workload is up to 4 hours of work monthly. 4 hours monthly guys. So you can see here, this is so easy, so simple. You can see here requirements: minimum of 500 pictures in Google Pictures, availability needed up to 4 hours. As I said before, this is something so easy. All you need, you just need stable connection, desktop, laptop, or a phone, right, or a smartphone guys. So you can see here estimated $9 to $28 per month. So as I said, $28 is up to 500 in South Africa when converted. So you can see there, this task is rate per task $0.40, right, $0.48. So this is something so easy, so simple guys. This is the link. You can see the link here. All you have to do, just have to click the link there, register, then they will review your application, and if they accept you, you will get in and you start making money. So easy, so simple guys. So also check the description, the second link in the description there, then you'll see this link. Click on it, register, and let's start making money guys. So this kind of project I shared it before, where on that video I just took pictures of myself and I got paid $20. So easy, so simple guys. So guys, please let's make time for ourselves. We all have time. I believe we all have time. Like from Monday to Sunday, you can just sacrifice 4 hours. As they said, 4 hours monthly, not 4 hours weekly, 4 hours monthly. So I believe we can make that 4 hours monthly, and we can just start making money. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe, consider subscribing so you can get notification for my future videos, and don't forget to switch on that bell icon on, so every time when I drop a video, you get a shout out.